Let's go to Freedom Workshop. I thought I'd do a little haul of my outfits since I didn't do that earlier. Top ASOS, tank top, Soma. This is Aerie, Missouri, and Gorjana. Pantalones, Urban, Free People, but they're Birkenstocks. And this is Row Dupe from Amazon. And my hair from the Lord, period.
Holy invitation by the Father this weekend to build something that has never been built before. I'll say it again. He is a new creation. Okay, I want you to say creation. I'm gonna see y'all kind of fell off a little bit.
I am
a new creation.
a new creation. Guys, we finished the workshop.
We have no words.
None.
We have no words.
None. We're really tired, as you can see from my eyes. Look how closed they are.
We
We're
couldn't
like,
even stand. We were like, let's sit down.
yeah. Oh yeah.
We're
We're
sitting.
out here. I'm gonna go get tacos. I'm just gonna get food, and we're gonna
Probably sweet green.
go. Healthy girls. So all in all, it was really powerful. I think we're just really wrecked in the best way. We're just more revelation. So we're really thankful for this place, and I think I'm gonna go night night and go take a nap. Same. Not good. Recorded much today. I ended up working out and then going to the grocery store really quick, and also going to prayer set that I didn't record. And now I am back and editing. I just filmed my podcast with a tiny mic, and I got some clips with my DJI. I call it the Digi. And now I'm just editing. I'm trying to figure out what posts I want to schedule out. And I honestly just might post the podcast today, because why not? So go follow it. It's called the No Return Podcast. I'll link it down below in the description. It's been a really fun, just creative project of things that have been like on my mind. And so yeah, I've just been snuggled up, and it's so sunny right now. The sunset kind of reflects across the building. And now compiling the podcast episode. I usually record it with a video recording, but today I just did audio, and that has been new for me. So I'm basically compiling all the different audio clips that I need to then put over here. So love it.
spoons.
If you put it down, you can't get it back. Yeah.
What about Subway Surfers?
I don't.
Man.
I used to. I used to have them on my
Crossy Road. Guys.
Flappy Bird.
Flappy Bird.
Like, so Flappy Bird.